Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session we will be working on Exp25 Excel chapter 3 cumulative patient. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your assignment without any confusion. If you need any help with my IT lab assignments, quizzes, simulation exams or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also showing on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, computer science courses, programming languages, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, C#, and website development using different frameworks and CMS like WordPress, Webflow, Wix. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades. Now let's start the today assignment and go through it step by step. Here are total 30 questions of this assignment. Here is the title of assignment: Exp25 Excel chapter 3 cumulative patient. And you can see that the project description: you work as a nurse in a health clinic. You record each patient systolic and diastolic blood pressure each week. A number of patients have requested blood pressure data and charts. This information helps patients know if they have hypertension caused by high blood pressure. You prepared a spreadsheet that can be used as a template to track a patient's blood pressure and heart rate. You are ready to create charts that you can use when discussing patient blood pressure. Now let's move to the question number 1. Start Excel, download and open the file named Exp25 Excel chapter 3 cumulative patient. Reader has automatically added to your last name to the beginning of the file name. Basically in this question you will have to download the Excel workbook from my IT lab dashboard. I have already downloaded this workbook from my IT lab dashboard. The first task is you will have to enable the editing, then move to the instruction file. Now move to the question number 2. The statement is given that weekly blood pressure readings have been entered for a sample patient. You want to create a clustered column chart to compare the readings for the month. After you create the chart, you will move it to a chart sheet that will be used to contain several charts for easy reference. Create a clustered column chart using the range A2 to C7 on the April worksheet. Cut the chart and paste it in cell A1 in the chart sheet. Basically in this question you will have to create a clustered column chart using the range A2 to E7 on the April worksheet. Now move to the Excel workbook. In this tab you have added a range A2 to E7, A2 to C7, and then create a now we have created a clustered column chart. Go to the insert tab, then click on charts arrow, and then go to all charts section, and you can see that the clustered column chart is here. Select it and then press OK. The clustered column chart are appear in the workbook. Cut the chart and paste it in cell A1 in the chart sheet. Basically in this question you will have to cut this chart and paste into A7. First we select the range and then go to chart sheets, and A7 we have paste the clustered chart. Now move to the instruction file. Now we have on the question number 3. The statement is given that the chart needs a descriptive, easy to read title. Change the chart title to blood pressure reading in April and bold the chart title. Basically, in this question, you will have to change the chart title from default to blood pressure readings in April and bold the title. First, we change the title. Now move to the Excel workbook. As you can see that the chart is here, you can click on this tab and change the title of cluster chart. Or simply you can paste the same text on this, or you can write a text, blood pressure readings in April. And bold the title. And simply select this title and go to Home tab and click on B, bold. As you can see that the title of the cluster chart are bold. Now move to the instruction file. Here is the question number 4. As you can see that the statement is given that you realize the chart might be easier to read as a bar chart. Change the chart type to clustered bar. Basically, in this question, you will have to change the chart type to clustered bar. Now move to the Excel workbook. Simply you can click on the chart and then go to the chart design and then click on change chart type and then go to the bar section, bar chart, and then click on second number clustered bar and then press OK. And as you can see that our cluster chart is converted into bar chart. Question number 4 is done. Now move to the question number 5. You will increase the chart size to make it easier to read on a display screen. Set for height. Basically, in this question, you will have to change the display screen of chart and set height to 4. Select the chart and go to Format tab and then go to Size tab. First, we have add 4 for height, and you can see that the height of this bar chart are increases. Question number 5 is done. Now move to the question number 6. You want to remove the additional dates displayed on the category axis and select the dates on the axis and display the format axis task pane. In the axis options category, select text axis type to remove the extra dates from the charts. Now move to the Excel workbook. First, we select the dates on the axis and display the format axis task pane. Simply you can select the bar chart in the axis option category, select text axis type to remove the extra dates from the chart. In the right side format axis, you can select text axis As you can see that the changes are displaying. And then move to the instruction file. Text axis type to remove the extra dates from the charts. Question number 6 are done. Now move to the question number 7. The given statement is that you want to arrange the dates with the oldest date at the top. Display the dates in reverse order on the category axis so that 4/1/2027 is at the top of the vertical axis. Basically, in this question you will have to display the dates in reverse order on category axis. Now we move to the Excel workbook, and first the task is to display the dates in reverse order. And the right side format axis. In axis position, click on categories in reverse order button. Categories in reverse order. As you can see that the changes are displaying. Now move to the instruction file so that the 4/1/2027 is at the top of the vertical axis. As you can see that 4/1/207 are displaying on left side, top left side of the chart. Now move to the instruction file. Question number 7 are done. Now move to the question number 8. Next, you will create a line chart depicting the heart rate readings for the month. This chart will help the patient see trends over time. Create a line chart using the range A3 to A7 and D3 to D7 on the April worksheet. Move the line chart to start in cell I1 in the chart sheet. Basically, in this question you will have to create a line chart using the range A3 to A7 and D3 to D7 on the April worksheet. Now move to the Excel workbook and then go to the April sheet and then select a range A3 to A7 and D3 to D7. Now we have selected the range D3 to D7. As you can see that the ranges are selected. Now we have to create a line chart using these ranges. Then go to Insert tab, click on Charts, then go to All Charts, then go to Line Chart section, and as you can see that all the line charts are available. We have picked the first one and then press OK. As you can see that the line chart are displaying. Move the line chart to start in cell I9 in the chart sheet. So we have to move this chart in. First we cut the chart and then go to charts sheet in I1. We will have to paste it. You can see that the line chart are pasted in chart sheet. Now move to the instruction file. Question number 8 are done. Now move to the question number 9. You decide to adjust the size of the line chart set 3.5 height and 5 width. Basically in this question you will have to change the height and width of a given line chart. First we set height. First we have select the line chart, then go to format tab and then go to size section. First we add the height 3.5 and the width is 5. Simply you can add 5. Question number 9 are done. Now let's move to the question number 10. Change the line chart title to heart rates in April and bold the title. Basically in this question you will have to change the line chart title to heart rates in April and then bold the title. Then go to the Excel workbook, click on line chart title, remove the default text and then add the text that are showing in instruction file, heart rates in April. All done. And the next task is we have to select the title of chart and then go to home tab and press on B to bold the text. As you can see that the title of line chart are bold. Question number 10 are done. Now let's move to the question number 11. The statement are given. Select the dates and select text axis to remove the extra dates from the line chart. Basically in this question you will have to select the date, then go to Excel workbook, select the chart and right click, then choose format as, the format axis pane are open on the right side of Excel, and then select text axis to remove the extra dates from the line chart. Now move to the Excel workbook. In axis option you can go to text axis button, click on text axis. As you can see that the lines are changed. Question number 11 are done. Now let's move to the question number 12. You will change the font color for the axis to make the chart easier to read. Apply black text 1 font color to the value axis and to the category axis on the line chart. Basically in this question you will have to change the font color for the axis to make the chart easier to read, and then apply a black color and text font color. Now click on these values in the chart and then go to home tab, and in color section drop down you can select a black color. As you can see that the black color are applied on y-axis of the chart and to the category axis on the line chart. Now move to the Excel workbook. In the format axis you have to cross this and then go to the color tab in the inside the home tab, click on black color. You can see that the black color are applied on these categories. Question number 12 are done. Now let's move to the question number 13. Now you want to apply a gradient fill color to the plot area to soften the image. Apply light gradient accent one gradient fill color to the plot area on the line chart. Basically, in this question you will have to apply the gradient color to the plot area on the line chart. Now go to the chart sheet, then click on line chart and right click on this and then go to format text. The format plot area are appear on the right side. You can click on drop down fill and then click on gradient fill. As you can see that the gradient color are showing on plot area, and then click on preset gradients and then select the color, then cross the tab. Question number 13 are done. Now let's move to the question number 14. Data labels provide exact details. In this case, adding data labels will provide exact birth rates. Add data labels in the above position on the line chart. Basically, in this question you will have to add a data labels in the above position of the line chart. You can select the line chart, then click on plus button and select the data labels drop down and then click on above. As you can see that the data labels are appear on the top of the line 73, 75. Now let's move to the question number 15. The April worksheet contains a range that identifies how many times in the month the patient had normal and high blood pressures. To decide a pie chart will help the patient visualize the data better. Create a 2D pie chart using the ranges F3 to F4 and H3 to H4. In the April worksheet, move the chart to start in cell A22 in the chart sheet. Basically, in this question, you will have to create a 2D pie chart using the range, given range F3 to F4 and H3 to H4 in the April sheet. Now move to the Excel workbook, then go to April sheet, then select the range. First we select the range F3 to F4 and second we have select the range H3 to H4 in the April worksheet. The ranges are selected. Then create a 2D pie chart. Then go to Insert tab. Then go to Charts section. Then click on All Charts. Then click on Pie Chart and choose the 2D chart. As you can see that the chart are displaying. Our next task is move the chart to start in cell A2 in the chart sheet. Now move to the Excel workbook. Simply you can cut this chart using the tab Control X, or you can cut it or you can cut the chart. Go to the Home tab and then click on the scissor option. Then go to the chart sheet and A22. You will have to paste it using Ctrl V. Then go to the instruction file. Here is the question number 16. The statement are given. Change the chart title to percentage of normal and high blood pressure and apply black text 1 font color to the title. Basically in this question you will have to change the chart title to percentage of normal and high blood pressure and then apply black. Then go to the workbook, click on chart sheet, then select the chart and change the title percentage of normal and high blood pressure. And high blood pressure. Or simply you can copy the same text and then paste in this title. You can select the title, go to the home tab and apply a color black. You can select the color from the tab and then press. You can see that the black color are applied on chart title. Then apply the font color to the title. All is done. We have now completed 16 questions of this assignment. If you need help with the remaining questions or want me to handle your complete course, you can contact me anytime through my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also showing on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for all types of assignments, quizzes, simulation exams. I have successfully handled courses for the students of Canada, USA and other countries. If you need any help with the task on your complete course, feel free to reach out to me. Or you can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Thanks for watching.